क्विक स्टडी आईक्यू चैनल को आपण मानक स्वागत। अभी मैंने जब देखिबा जोटा कि हाई कोर्ट एएसओ रो स्किल टेस्ट पे आपनर कंप्यूटर जीके रो आउ किछि क्वेश्चंस ऊपर हमें डिस्कशन करिबा। आज रो टॉपिक आपनर अछि प्रेजेंटेशन ग्राफिक। ओके, तो या रिलेटेड कोन क्वेश्चंस हेई परबो ताको हमें देखिबा। ओके, आउ सॉल्व करिबा। First question अछि, the insert tab contains the basic set of objects which you can insert into a slide. Okay, ये true or false है करियो। माने insert tab रे कोन आसीबो a basic set of objects which you can insert into a slide. Obviously आसीबो true. Question second is the click replace all to replace all occurrences of short text by the specified new text. True or false है जीवो। Yes, that is true. Next देखो, a desk graphic is a visual representation of your information and ideas. इधर कोड है जोटा कि आसीबो कोन कोड है visual representation of information and ideas. The answer आसीबो that is a smart art. Next देखो, to start a Microsoft PowerPoint application, click on the start button and select all programs. नेक्स्ट माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस तापर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस पावरपॉइंट 2007 माने माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावरपॉइंट ओपन करिवार एटा होची प्रोसेस माने स्टेप्स गुडा को ट्रू और फॉल्स इज वे लिखिबो कोन दैट इज ट्रू। नेक्स्ट देखो, this refers to a ready to use picture, a ready to use picture कोडा हिजबो। लिखिबो ये कोन दैट इज क्लिप आर्ट हिजबो। Next, to open a recently used presentation, you may click on the office button and then click on the presentation name in the list displayed under the recent documents. ये कौन है इसको true or false है? Answer is boy ये है कौन? Sorry, true है false है boy. Next देखो, sorry, that is true. Okay. Next देखो 7 नंबर देछि, smart art program are designed to help you to create an effective presentation. Obviously कारण आपण जतो recent tab को जिबे तडे आपण recent document पाई परिबे ट्रू हिजबो। Smart art programs are designed to help you to create an effective presentation. Yes, that is false. Okay. Next, the desk type contains tools that controls how to slide show is presented. The answer is that is I is slide show. Okay. Next, the question 8, miniature pictures of slides displayed in the slide sorter view. True or false? Yes, that is true. The next is displays which displays icon that represent commonly used commands such as save, undo, and redo. The answer is that is the quick access toolbar. Next देखो, a dash is a connection to a location in the current document, another document, or a website. Yes, that is a hyperlink. Next देखो, dash are used to create slide shows on the computer. And slide show एमिति represented करा जाबे बोधे हुए बोली से पता चलता। Answer आसीबो कोन that is the presentation graphics. To preview your presentation as web page, you need to add the web page preview command to ribbon. True or false? Answer ଆସିବ କଣ? That is false ହେଇଯିବ. Next ଦେଖ, with the slideshow view, you can see how your graphic timings, moves, animated elements, and transition effect will look in the actual show. The answer ଆସିବ କଣ? That is false. Next, in graphic presentation programs, each presentation is divided into, yes, କଣ ନା slides ରୂପରେ divided ହେଇଥାଏ. Next ଦେଖ, in a PowerPoint mesh case, you may check this box for a case sensitive search. The answer ଆସିବ that is true ହେଇଯିବ. Okay. Next ଦେଖ, scale to feed paper, check the box to print the slides with an outer frame. Yes, that is false. In PowerPoint, build effects are animation to slide contents. Yes, true. A desk is a pre-designed presentation designated for common purpose such as photo album or a quiz show. Yes, that is a template. You may create a new presentation using a template provided by PowerPoint. Yes, not true ହେଇଯିବ. We can insert a video clip on a PowerPoint slide. ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ video clip use କରିପାରିବା କୋଉଠି ନା PowerPoint ରେ. True or false ହେଇଯିବ? Obviously ଆମେ କଣ କରିପାରିବା? use କରିପାରିବା. then answer ଆସିବ କଣ? True ହେଇଯିବ, correct. Next ଦେଖ, when you move your mouse over a sizing handle, the pointer becomes a dash. ଆସିବ two-headed arrow. 23 ଦେଇଛି, PowerPoint presentation is a component of the following application software. So ये लिखिବ that is MS Office. Okay. Next देखो, slideshow view is an exclusive view of your slides in thumbnail form. Answer ଆସିବ କଣ? That is a false ହେଇଯିବ. Headers and footers are used to add information such as slide numbers, time, and data, a company logo, or the presentation title to the top of a handout of notes pages in your presentation, or to bottom a slide handout or note pages. ମାନେ header and footer କଣ କଣ ରହିପାରିବ ବୋଲି ସେ ପଚାରିଛି. ଏଟା true ହେଇଯିବ ନା false ହେଇଯିବ ତ ପଚାରିଛି ସେ ଅବଶ୍ୟ. ଇଏ ହେଇଯିବ true, କାରଣ ଏଗୁଡାକରେ ମାନେ header ଆଉ footer ରେ କଣ logo ରହିପାରିବ, date ରହିପାରିବ, time ରହିପାରିବ, ହେଲା, କମ୍ପାନୀର presentation title ରହିପାରିବ, ବୁଝିଲା? Next ଦେଖ, to see a preview of your slide in a window on the screen, click on the quick access toolbar and select print and print preview. ମାନେ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ଲାଇଡ୍ କୁ ଦେଖିବା, ହେଲା, ତାର ପ୍ରୋସେସ କଣ ହେଇପାରିବ ନା କ୍ୱିକ୍ ଆକ୍ସେସ୍ ଟୁଲବାର and select print and print preview. false ହେଇଯିବ, ହେଲା. ଆମର କଣ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଅପସନ ଅଛି, ଆମେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଦେଖିପାରିବା ଦରକାର. In graphic presentation programs, each presentation is divided into charts. ଗୋଟେ graphic presentation is divided into charts. True or false ହେଇଯିବ? Obviously ଆସିବ, is false. Using word art graphics, you can effectively communicate your message in a quick and simple way. Word art ଆମେ କଣ ଇଏ ଆସିବ କଣ? false ହେଇଯିବ, ହେଲା. Next ଦେଖ, you may change the presentation views by checking on the buttons displayed on the desk at the bottom of the screen. लिखिब कौन? दैट इज स्टेटस बार इज करेक्ट आंसर. Animation refers to addition of special visual or sound effect to your slides. That is true as well. Using PowerPoint presentation graphics is simple and it is used for effective presentation on a topic. ବୁଝିଲ ମାନେ କଣ କହିଛି ଏଇଥର ଆମେ ପାୱାର ପଏଣ୍ଟ କମ ୟୁଜ କରିବା ନା ଗୋଟେ ଇଫେକ୍ଟିଭ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ୟୁଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ସେ ପଚାରିଛି ଯେ ଟ୍ରୁ ଅର୍ ଫଲ୍ସ ହେଇଯିବ obviously ଏ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ଟ୍ରୁ ହେଇଯିବ ଇଫେକ୍ଟିଭ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ପାଇଁ ହିଁ ପାୱାର ପଏଣ୍ଟ ୟୁଜ ହୁଏ a review is a way to looking at a presentation review କଣ ହେଇଯିବ ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ କୁ ଦେଖିବା ଗୋଟେ ରିଭ୍ୟୁ ହେଇଯିବ କି ଫଲ୍ସ ଆସିବ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଦେଖ in presentation graphic days are used to add information such as slide numbers the time and date company logo or the presentation title to the top of handout or note pages in your presentation or bottom of slide handout or notes ଦେଖ ଆମେ ଏବେ ରିସେଣ୍ଟଲି ପଢିଲେ ମାନେ ଏ ଭିତରୁ କଣ ହେଇଯିବ ଯୋଉଟାରେ ଆମେ କଣ ସ୍ଲାଇଡ୍ ନମ୍ବର ହଉ ଟାଇମ୍ ଏଣ୍ଡ ଡେଟ୍ ହଉ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଲୋଗୋ ହଉ ବା ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଟାଇଟଲ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେଠି ମେନସନ କରିପାରିବା ତ ଇଏ ଆସିବ ହେଡର ଏଣ୍ଡ ଫୁଟର୍ସ ରେ ଆମେ କଣ ମେନସନ କରିପାରିବା ଏ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡାକ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଦେଖ the sizing handles at the slides are used to adjust only the height of width sizing handles ର କାମ କଣ ହେଇଯିବ ମାନେ height କଣ କରିବା adjust କରିବା ଇଏ true or false obviously answer ଆସିବ correct ହେଇଯିବ ହେଲା 35 ଦେଇଛି desk takes up the full computer screen like an actual slideshow presentation କଣ ଆସିବ ତ ଲେଖିବ କଣ that is a slideshow view ଦେଖ next ଦେଇଛି the outline tab show your slide text in your in outline form that is true. A slide layout refers to the arrangement of elements such as text, pictures, tables, charts, and movies on a slide. Yes, that is true. Okay. Next, if you have a large number of slides in your presentation, you may find it more convenient to use the desk to view all your slides and changes their positions. Answer as well, that is slide sorter view. Next, you may use either the normal view or the slide sorter view to delete a slide. That is true. In Microsoft PowerPoint, your file is stored with the desk extension. PowerPoint रे file केमती store होईल पचाची से. PPTX .pptx रे ये save होगा. Next, when the pointer becomes a desk, you can drag place header to the location you wish. The keyboard icon that is four-headed arrow. A clip may be a single media file including art, sound, animation, or movies. So here that is true. There's the details about a file that help to identify it. Document properties. The sizing handles at the slide and corners of the selections rectangle can be used to adjust to the size of the placeholder. Yes, that is true. To open a file that you may have previously saved, click the ribbon and select open. Is true or false? Yes, that is false. This is the main editing view. This is the main editing view. That is normal view. We can insert a audio clip on a PowerPoint slide. yes कोन that is true ହେଇଯିବ. Next, in PowerPoint, the insert tab contains tools to design your slides. Yes, that is false. The days tab contains the basic formatting tools. Yes, go home. The slides tab makes it easy to navigate through your presentation and to see the effect of changes and also rearrange, add or delete sliders. Yes, that is true. The outline tab show you slide as your thumbnail sized image while you edit. That is false. In PowerPoint, the insert tab contains tools to design your slides. That is false. Okay. पिलानी ये थिला जे आपनकर स्प्रेडशीट्स रो किसी क्वेश्चंस गुडाको पुनी काली देखिबा हमें आउ किसी क्वेश्चंस दोडा कि आपनर आसीबो कोन ना डीबीएमएस प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस गुडाको आसीबो ताको डिस्कशन करिबो. थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग द सेशन.